got a question for you. Are you overthinking things? Today, I want to talk about how to go from inaction to action.
Every moment is a teachable moment.
A lot of times, I meet so many people in this industry who will continually ask me how to get started in voiceover, how to get work in voiceover, and they feel stuck. They feel like they're not moving anywhere. They've done their coaching, they've got their demo, and now they just don't seem to be moving forward. The inaction part is due largely, in fact, to fear. Fear of, oh my gosh, what will happen if I actually get this job? What will happen if I get rejected? What will happen if, goodness sakes, I get accepted, right? So a lot of times just being stagnant, sitting still, inaction is mostly from fear. So I want you to take that fear and try to force yourself, move yourself through that fear to take just a little step that can move you from inaction to action. Once the proverbial ball starts rolling down the hill, it will help you to gain momentum. Know that in this industry, starting off takes a lot of courage. You can train and train and train and train. And sometimes people train and they don't make their demos for a very long time. And I actually wish that more people would train more and make their demos a little bit later on. But some people never get past the training part of it. So again, that could be fear-based. It could be actually just a part of your journey. Believe it or not, some people enjoy the training. Some people enjoy that part of the journey. And so that could also be a reason why maybe you're not advancing or, getting work or seeing things happen, because you're enjoying at least the instruction part of the journey. If you have that demo and you're not sure where to go next, a lot of that could be due to maybe a lack of knowledge on marketing. So I highly suggest educating yourself on how you can move from going from that demo into marketing yourself so that you can get that job. So a lot of the inaction could be due to just a simple lack of knowing about the subject area that you are trying to move forward in. So marketing is a big one, guys. I know that when I first started, I didn't major in marketing in school, and I certainly didn't take a course on marketing. However, I observed a lot of people in this industry, and I observed how companies marketed. And basically through a lot of education, a lot of reading, and a lot of dipping my toe in the water and trying it out and pushing out some marketing emails, seeing if they worked, ultimately I was able to take that tiny little step and then start to gain momentum. Whether you are in training and you don't know where to go next, you feel like you're not ready for that demo, make sure that you work with a great coach and that you both feel confident and ready to make that demo, and your coach should really help motivate you and move you forward. And if you are working and you've been working in the industry and you feel as though you're not moving forward any further, then step back and take a real close look at why that might be happening. Are you auditioning as much as you can? Are you networking the way that maybe you need to expand your network? And so how are you going to reach out to a new network maybe, or to even your voiceover friends and see if maybe there's a referral system happening? What can you do to move forward? Don't sit and wait for the work to come to you. You absolutely have the power to propel your business forward. Take those steps, moving yourself from inaction to action, and it will pay off in the end. If you're looking for more business tips, make sure to check out my videos here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next week.